I'm going to cook fish Baracuda soup we call lawoy and fresh vegetables from my garden. I need to put oil on the frying pan, the oil, and also you have to fry the Baracuda fish, turn into brown. And guys, this is very delicious fish. It's like long fish, but I asked them to cut it like thin while I'm frying the Baracuda fish. So slice the squash which I harvested from my garden. This kind of squash, guys, is very delicious because it's very fresh. So I'm cooking like recipe from our country in Philippines, and very delicious. I fry the fish, and after that add like different kind of vegetable fresh from my garden. Now I'm gonna turn the fish to make sure the fish is not really burned. That one is like estimated like medium brown. And then after that I need to stir fry with the garlic and onion, and add 2 tablespoons, 1/2 tablespoon of oil and 1/2 onion slice, and stir it, and then add the garlic, 4 cloves garlic. So when I add that garlic, I need to put the zucchini or squash. I put a little bit salt, the squash that I mix it well, and add the fried Baracuda soup on the squash. As you can see, it's already on the top, and add a little bit of salt, like maybe 1 tablespoon of salt, and then 2 cups of water, hot water or cold water, either one. And then you have to simmer it like in 2 minutes. Add a fish powder, 1 tablespoon of fish powder or beef stock or beef powder. So now you have to simmer it for 3 minutes, and then add eggplant. The eggplant rice and the string beans, I also harvested that the same day in my garden. So add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. It's very delicious. You have to try, guys. Very delicious. Supposed to be I add lemongrass, but I try not to. So check it very well, and then check the squash. So squash the ready. Now add like spinach. That's different spinach, and we call in our language in Philippines is alogbati. So now like optional is bell pepper, and also onion chives or onion leaves scallon. I don't know what other call exactly, but we call that onion leaves or sibuyas dahon in our country. So now don't overcook the vegetable. Now the food is ready. Look at that. As you can see, it's very delicious and a lot of vitamins. It's very good for eat with rice, and also drink with the soup. So now the food is ready to serve. If you like my subscribe my video, like, share, leave comment, and shout out to all my silent viewers, solid viewers or subscriber, And also, shout out to all my family back home in the Philippines, in the Plan, Dindang Zamboanga, Sibugay. Shout out to all my YouTubers, small YouTuber that will come all the time and click my channel. I really appreciate you all. And thank you for support me. And also, thanks to all my borders and MG Star Mart in Diplahan, Zamboanga, Sibugay.